Garlic, a popular cooking ingredient, is also known for its several health benefits. This video talks about 7 health benefits of garlic. Number 1. Garlic helps control high blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is one of the major drivers of cardiovascular diseases. Around the world, about 25% of adults have high blood pressure. Allicin, a sulfur compound in garlic, lowers blood pressure by increasing hydrogen sulfide concentrations, which relaxes blood vessels and prevents blood vessel constriction, protecting the heart from damage. Consuming garlic on a daily basis, in food or raw, helps to lower cholesterol levels, because of the antioxidant properties of allicin. The amount needed to achieve this is about 4 cloves of garlic per day. Number 2. Garlic helps boost immunity. Garlic contains zinc and vitamin C. The zinc in garlic promotes immunity. Vitamin C helps to fight off infections, which makes garlic able to protect the body against free radicals and prevents damage to the DNA. Research has also shown that garlic has been effective in combating the common cold. Eating 2 crushed garlic cloves on an empty stomach has the maximum benefit. Number 3. Garlic helps control diabetes. Insulin resistance, which is one of the causes of diabetes, occurs when the body no longer responds to insulin, leading to increased blood sugar levels and a high risk of developing diabetes. According to some researchers, garlic might reduce insulin resistance and help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 4. Garlic is good for your liver. Garlic contains sulfur and selenium. The sulfur content helps activate liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. Selenium helps boost the natural antioxidant enzyme levels in the liver. Number 5. Garlic contains antioxidants. Oxidative damage from free radicals contributes to the aging process. Antioxidants in garlic supports the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage. Research suggests that the antioxidant properties of garlic may reduce the risk of common brain diseases like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Number 6. Garlic works as an anti-inflammatory. Studies have shown that garlic contains allyl sulfides, an anti-inflammatory cancer-fighting compound that slows down the growth rate of cancer cells. Because it's anti-inflammatory, this means it also helps protect the body from free radicals. Number 7. Garlic improves hair and skin health. Because of its antibacterial properties, garlic can help reduce swelling and inflammation from acne. Studies show that rubbing raw garlic over pimples can clear them away. Be aware, though, that it could cause a burning sensation on your skin. Because of its antibacterial and antioxidant properties, garlic also helps protect against other infections. What other health benefits of garlic do you know about that is not mentioned in this video? Tell us in the comments section below. If this video was helpful, click on the like button and the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Till the next video, stay healthy,